So 7 measures after rehearsal 19 in the 2/4 section, the quarter note pulse is equivalent to the previous dotted quarter note pulse. So it's a fancy way of saying just keep the beat the same. "17 measures after rehearsal 19, yeah, I know that bowing is weird, but it's great for auditions. When you do play it with an orchestra, you'll have to do whatever the cellos and basses are playing. But for auditions, starting it up bow actually makes it very, very natural. Try it. I think you might like it. Just make sure that when you do this bowing, the quarter notes are short. All right, that's really all I have to say. Good luck.